fuck up some back. We're going deadlift. Austin got this sick belt from BradleyMartin.com. Obviously, he got that white one. Oh yeah, dude. Let's go get this. Let's go get fucking some. I'm gonna hit probably. I made 315 deadlift for 2 maybe today. I don't know. I haven't worked out seriously in like almost 2 weeks, so we'll see. Here, showcase this belt. Showcase the belt. Let me see. What's that? That's sick.
Days burn me out, love just brings me down. Cold inside like windshield leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting brown, baby, drink your night away. Maybe we will not regret it, you will not regret me. Laying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you. Yeah, it's just me and you.
Alright guys, I think that we're all dead. How long have you been here? 2 hours. 2.5 hours. We've been here for like 2 hours. Working out the whole time. Just being strong as fuck. But yeah, guys, I'm glad to be back. Glad to be back on YouTube. See everybody, answer comments and everything. So yeah, we're done at the gym. Yo, what's up, guys? That's what the sub count is as of now. I'm recording this like when you're seeing it, it'll be last night if you're watching it the day it came out. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to talk to you guys briefly, very briefly. I know I talk all the time at the end of my videos, and this is going to be one of those times where I talk for 5 minutes. I'm just going to talk for like 2 minutes, okay? I just want to say thank you so much, every single one of you guys who has been like subscribing to me. Like, I know I don't have thousands of subscribers. I have like 623 right now. That's insane. That is insane. I literally got that in a week. Like, I got 500 subs in a week. Thank you, guys. Like, thank you. That's crazy. Like, this just supports everything that I want to do. Everything I wanted to do ever. It's just like, it's happening now. And I'm really living this dream. Like, fucking one day I got 100 subs in a day. I was like, I just hit 300 in the morning. And then by that night, it was like 411. I was like, what the fuck? What the fuck? That's insane. That's insane. I love you guys so much. Thank you for every single one of you guys who's been supporting me and leaving comments and stuff. I love the comments. Some of them are funny. You guys are crazy. I hit a killer workout. I didn't want to record a ton of the same stuff. So like I only recorded like 1 or 2 sets of everything except deadlift. And because I just didn't want it to get like repeat itself and be repetitive and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. It is good to be back and putting out content for you guys. I'm gonna have, you know, multiple videos up this week, and oh, I got so many plans. Especially for the end of this week. If you're here watching this right now and you are like paying attention to me, I need you to do something right now. I'm trying to say this without like sounding like a douche, but I'm serious. This is gonna be a good video at the end of this week, because that's when I can't reveal why I have to do it at the end of the week. But what you have to do, if you're listening to me right now, you're watching this video, you have to click that bell icon if you already haven't, by the subscribe button, okay? And it will notify you when my videos come out, but you already knew what it does. So if you want to see what oh, I'm so excited for everything I get to bring you guys. Like, this is shaping out, guys. This is shaping out. But I said I wasn't gonna talk forever, so I'm not gonna talk forever. You guys are awesome. Leave a comment for me. Say anything. I'll have long ass conversations with you. I don't care. I like all the comments, even if they're like freaking stories. Like, they're long. I read them all. I really do. I love waking up to them or whatever. So yeah. But thanks for watching. Again, I'm Derek, the All Natural Bodybuilder. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, I got you, as always. Yeah. Once again, you guys are amazing. Thank you for 600. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.